Well, there's a breaking update coming in. Politics over the oath-taking ceremony as the BJP now seems to be taking over on the Gandhi siblings, saying that Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi haven't wished Prime Minister Narendra Modi on becoming the Prime Minister for the historic consecutive third term. Why is that? As far as Mallikarjun Kharge is concerned, Pratibha, he made it a point as part of the opposition to attend the swearing-in ceremony yesterday. But it seems that other Congress party leaders haven't wished Prime Minister Modi yet.
Absolutely, Amita. Let me just take you through some of the tweets here. P. Chidambaram, senior Congress leader, has wished Prime Minister Modi, of course, some condescending tone, and that is where he said, as a citizen, I offer my good wishes to the new union government that took office yesterday under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. We wish that they abide by parliamentary and democratic conventions and give the people a good government. But there is no wish that has come in from Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. If you just look at the Twitter of Rahul Gandhi, he has posted about other issues. He has spoken about the attack in Jammu and Kashmir. He has spoken about other issues including meat, but there's no wish that has come in for the Prime Minister. Something that has been picked up by the BJP. Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP tweeting, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra, who tried every trick to ensure that Narendra Modi ji doesn't become the Prime Minister, have still not even tweeted and wished the Prime Minister on taking oath. So upset that a family record of winning 3 consecutive PM tenures has now been attained by a chaiwala. So that's the attack that has come in from the BJP, asking why is there silence from Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi.
All right, Priyanka, Pratibha, thank you for that. As far as Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi not wishing Prime Minister Narendra Modi a courtesy that has not been extended, that is being questioned by the BJP.
Such a petty and narrow-mindedness by Gandhi family. Gandhi family has displayed yesterday that when Prime Minister Narendra Modi became the first Prime Minister born after independence to be sworn in 3 times consecutively thanks to the Ashirwad of the Janta, they have not even wished him or congratulated him, whether it is Priyanka Vadra, whether it's Rahul Gandhi. Such kind of thought process, such kind of pettiness in a democracy. You oppose Modi, but in opposing Modi, you oppose Sanatan, you oppose Sena, you oppose institutions of democracy and constitution, you want foreign intervention, you oppose democracy itself. This is the petty-mindedness. That how can my family's record be broken? Family's record is more important. Today, if a chaiwala, due to the aspirations and due to the Ashirwad of the Janta, has attained...
Well, that question that has now been raised by the BJP, saying that even a courtesy wish has not been extended to the Prime Minister. With that, we head into a short break. Back with the latest headlines.